So now we have just below all those tools, but these tools take again all the things that I show you with the keyboard on with the mouse. So it means that here we have orbit, so we can click on orbit to change and to rotate, but we don't need to use every time on this because it can be long to every time to select orbit tool. So you have just to select on your mouse the scroll wheel, and after you can move. In the same way, you have this pan the camera view vertically or horizontally. But it is to reduce or to advance like this, but in the same way, you don't need to select every time pan here with your mouse. You have just to use your scroll wheel directly like this, and it is okay. But here it is pan. Here zoom, if you want to zoom. If you want to zoom, you selected this, and after you scroll wheel, to move on your document. Zoom extend, and after you have eventually previews if you want to see the view just before the last action, and zoom extended like this. Zoom extends like this. So you can have these 6 tools here, but you don't need really to use this directly on this, as I said, with your keyboard and just with your mouse and keyboard, with the scroll wheel, with the shift key on your keyboard, you can make everything that you want. Everything that you want just with this.